Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the speed of the video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a project or a video, and if you want to set the speed, click to the movie line at the lower side of the screen, and here you can find the lower bar, and here click to the speed option next to the filter, and here you can set the speed of the video, and you can select the slope of the
Hello guys,
fast.
in this video I'm going to show you how to
in each other side at the screen. And if you finish, just click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the home screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.